Hey, it's Alex Kroll again, and this video is about a very simple breathing technique. What we need is, again, a silent space. Open the window that you have fresh air, and you can also do it in nature, on the beach, in the forest, in parks. Especially, it's great to be surrounded by fresh air. Once you find a good place, again, you want to have a straight chest or a straight trunk, chest a little outwards, shoulders a little backwards, and before we start, we want to just look which kind of nostril is more open. You see, every half an hour, more and less, one nostril is more open and the other one is more closed. Once you have found the nostril that is more open, in my case it's this side, is more open, with a little fingertip I close the other side. So at the moment I'm breathing in just with that part. And what we want to do is we want to close our eyes and we want to feel the way I inhale, but not just the way I inhale, but the whole energy behind the air. We want to feel it in the inhalation, also in the exhalation. You see, there is something very profound in feeling the energy of the breath, of the air. You see, because it's not just here around the nostril. The whole air, there is a certain energy. It's almost like filling you up. It's very subtle, it's very wide, it's very pure. It's filling up the whole space, a certain inner space. So again, we want to really be conscious the air, the energy of the air, the way it goes in and up and out. And I really invite you, because after a while the in and exhalation, they will get longer and longer and longer. Sometimes you can inhale for half a minute and you can exhale for another half a minute and even longer. So please be really, playful, play with it, because it's about finding your rhythm. And I invite you to do it more and less, every day, maybe 5, 10, 15, 20 minutes. You will see after a while, time runs. But not just time runs, you will feel, wow, something very profound, not just a very profound relaxation, but also a very peaceful state of mind, and that's what we actually want in this kind of hectic and stressful society. So again, you can do it in the morning when you wake up, maybe before you go to sleep, maybe when you have a little extra time during the day and you walk through a park, sit under a tree, and you just do this very simple 5, 10, 15, 20 minutes breathing exercise. Okay, here again, you just find one nostril has to be, closed, and just go. You see, with your eyes closed, there's like a whole space that really opens. You also want to relax your forehead, your eyebrows, and just feel the energy. And once you have finished the practice, I really invite you to send me your comment, or even if you have some questions or or some doubts. So please feel free to write me, and I'm here to help you to resolve these little problems, issues, or whatever comes up. So this is just one breathing technique. In the next videos we will go to step 2, step 3 and step 4. But at the moment it's just one nostril. In the next video I really want to introduce you to the alternate nostril breathing. But first of all, we need to practice for the next coming days and weeks just with one nostril, please. Okay. Enjoy the practice. I wish you a beautiful day and week ahead, and see you in the next video. Bye.